Good morning, guys. So I know I look crazy right now, but right now I just came to the bathroom. I'm gonna actually pull down my hair in a few and catch it up until I'm ready to go wash it, because I'm gonna wash it today and set it for tomorrow. But I have to make some videos first, because when I set it, I was gonna wash it yesterday, but then I waited too late and I'm not trying to get sick, so I just said I'm gonna wait. So right now it's about after 7. I'm at one wake. I'm actually have on my workout clothes. See, I'm actually have on my workout clothes and everything. We go work out and I'm gonna wake up, so I'm just here waiting. So I'm gonna head back to my room and then yeah.
Good morning.
Okay, see Shella Repart Jamaica. So it is Monday, here is day, and we start off.
Do it for that purpose.
I know, just saying. So we start off this morning by making some good old Jamaican fritters. So right now, mommy is where the debone the fish,
Yes.
the saltfish. Them say I mix the best, but guess what? I don't think so. I think
It is true.
I don't think so, yeah.
Because she don't want to do it. That's why she's saying that.
Well, that too. But anyways, for fritters, we normally use flour, saltfish, curry, and season it up to make it little.
No.
I don't know what you do with the cutting board.
I left it out here.
Animal them no must go with it.
Don't do it.
You know, me this me I pack out them last night. Anyways, so we use flour, saltfish, curry, and it's like they use other seasonings to kind of give it a little better taste and all of that. So yeah, so she's cutting it up, and she was saying that normally she do it on the cutting board, but I don't know how to do the cutting board.
This
It's not me. No, it's not me pack the things. I wash and Shani rinse and pack, so it's not me. So yes, she's cutting up saltfish, and then we're gonna mix it with the flour, and we're gonna get the curry. What else you want to put in your names?
I want my
You what? Anahu?
Anato.
What name is miss?
The only time something we used to cover it.
No. I don't know what that be. Anyway, so this is curry powder. Where is that? In here? Alright, make we look for that. Ginger powder. Orange. Is it this?
Yes, so it is.
What is this?
Anato.
So guys, this is anato. My mommy must have put that in there. Ew. Don't know what it is, but okay. Hello, and I just pull up my spice wrap. So, but yeah.
Wait, I soak it in oil.
Where?
So it's anato seeds.
Okay.
I'm just using the oil.
Okay. It ready? It ready, so how long you have to soak that for, Mom?
No, if it's soak. What have you want to soak it?
Oh, okay. So how long have you had that soaking?
All the time. I just put the oil on it because I don't like to put the seed in it.
Oh, cool. So yes, peoples. And then shall I use the flour?
And if I spoil it,
She not spoil it. She do it as well as she learn from. So I don't know if she go so strong. She put in a curry, people. Curry, yeah. And then the flour and then some water. Yes, mother. So what's you putting in there now? She puts in jerk seasoning, and people may tell them, you see, that's something you pepper, pepper bad. So it's like she try to tell us them not to eat none, eat pepper. Nah, like, and she say meat with better and shit. No, she like, she is the one that does it. And she also puts oil. I not put too much things in the people, trust me. So for me not taste so good. She is the chef. Lady chef. And then she's gonna get her water. And then yeah.
That's what I'm telling you. You showed us half of the things.
Honestly, oh, she had criticized me. She's criticizing my vlogging. Yeah, she watched my vlog and she tell me about, oh, me not show nothing. Yeah.
Just start us off and finish it.
Mommy, but you have to understand, you know. You have to understand. Well, I know. You have to understand. Right now, it's easy for me to video. Because I know me I do it. Imagine me being the person that's doing it. I mean, I know vlogging the camera. So yes, guys, we're mixing. Mommy mix up a thing and she finally reached and all these things.
Listen,
good morning.
I did dinner yesterday. I don't expect to come and do
you can't be so
breakfast.
close up in the camera. Jeez.
Let's come and catch up me.
I'm not catching up nothing for you, excuse.
Seasoning.
Alright, so she put in more seasoning. Where you put in there? Where you put in there?
Seasoning.
What kind of seasoning?
Oh, that's fine.
Shani, just a disturb.
Chicken seasoning.
So she put chicken, Maggi people, Maggi, chicken seasoning, Jamaican, you know, people. We have to talk about the Jamaican places that you get your good Jamaican stuff. So Maggi, and we use up the, which brand is? The Walker's Wood. Walker's Wood. Actually, so she wants her good Jamaican candy.
She's not Jamaican.
Of course.
This is Brazilian. Brazilian.
Alright, fine. So my teeth one, actually go on teeth one. We wanted to do what name? Blue Jaws? Blue Jaws.
Blue panty.
Tire leaf. But we never get no coconut, so that's not.
Wait, you know, late because Kaji, you know, your daddy say anyway Kaji to get in the car.
Go on teeth one more people. ¿Qué pasa?
I decided to make up things wise. That's not the
You fight him.
No, none.
Guys, so right now I'm walking down to the road because I gotta do one video for one of my friend, for Simone. So yeah, she asked me to do one video for her, so I'm heading down to do that and then go back up, probably film a video for not tomorrow but the day after that. So yeah. Hi guys, so I just got back from the filming of I'll be quiet. So I just got back, and right now I'm going to finish editing my video that I'm going to upload. I was gonna put this video and that video together, but I realized that video is actually 10 minutes, and I'm sure this video will be more because I'm gonna be watching my mom make either blue jars or one of them something that we talked about this morning. So yeah, we're gonna watch her do that, so the video will be longer, so I decided to separate the vlogs. So yeah. Alright guys, so we got coconuts. So I'm gonna run around and find coconut. I'm gonna eat it out. Wanna see our mouse move? Yeah.
Anybody else want to sandwich?
Nobody can still do.
Can you pass me a little plate for that?
Me remember when we did little and me do this and you give me peace somewhere because you love me.
She mustn't
and
beg.
I have peace.
You must not beg.
Sorry for me.
Yes, and she used to ask for it for you too.
Oh, she not ask for me now.
Doing it again.
No, you just remember me. Alright.
You think you were standing right there?
I need to get the drink.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish editing my video and probably upload it. Should I upload it tomorrow or today?
She's going to
No, not probably upload it. I was talking about the day I wasn't finished. Should I do it today or tomorrow?
tomorrow morning.
Are you sure?
It's please, they was her early this morning.
No. See my teeth would people them something.
Just sauce. I don't know what amount.
Haven't left you out food on a seeds. You're still a struggle.
That's when you're not cooked.
And quick cook over this one. What am I doing now? Daddy, what did you put in it? Sir. Sir. Mr. They cook here, see?
Baking powder.
He put baking powder and put cornmeal and he
What
put
is?
the coconuts.
Something for the
And again, no measurements. And it will taste good. But I don't want to do it.
This is 1 cup. You want to get it too sweet. This is 2 cups. I'm going to try at 3 cups first. Swinging this.
Yeah, no?
Swinging.
What that mean?
Putting it over the fire.
What does it do?
And let the heat get into it. So it gets soft and easy to tear. It's not as crispy as it was. So it's not easy to tear when you find it.
What are you doing? Cutting your things. Okay. Alright, do it, Mom. See? That's it. Water. I'm going to drop them in. Little bit of salt in it. I'm going to drop them in. Take them in here now.
I guess we're gonna unwrap it now. Steaming, people. It's so steaming.
Let's see what's inside.
It's like an unwrapping. Ooh!
This is what it looks like.
It is. My turn. Okay, good. Should I go by me?
Yeah, wow.
Not bad. Oh guys, so they're done. Give me the knife, I want to poke it. So big up to my chef. So mother, thank you so much for making these things and making sure I have video today. Thank you. So yes guys, our chef of the day. Now this is gonna be dinner for today because we didn't cook. This is what we cooked. So yes, this is dinner. So yeah.
Yeah.
Hi guys. So it is Tuesday morning and we eat this for breakfast.
Only this one have the next one.
We are trouble mommy. It's not bad, trust me. But choose put raisin in there. Yeah. And something where there. Yeah, that's job.
Tastes good.
No. Not with the raisin. I bet the next one no bird.
Your mind fooling you. Couldn't be better. Your mind fooling you.
So yes, people, I'm ready for work. But I eat. And I'll eat. I'm telling you, I'm 9:30 for class and I just 9 o'clock. So yeah. So yes guys.